Hello, in this video, I will show you how to configure the Affiliate Press Signup bonus add-on. Go to the Affiliate Press add-ons page. This is the Affiliate Press feature add-on page. Now, activate the Signup bonus add-on. The add-on is now activated. Click the Configure button. This is the Commission Settings page. Scroll down and see the Affiliate Signup Bonus option. Now, set the Affiliate Signup Bonus and click to Save button. Your changes have been successfully updated. Now, go to the front-end side and create a new affiliate user. This is the Affiliate Press Create an Account page. Enter the following details and click to Create Account button. Registration is now complete. See, this is the Affiliate User Affiliate Dashboard page. Now, open the Commission tab. See, New Affiliate User get the Sign-up bonus. Now, go to the Backend side Commission page. This is the Manage Commissions page, where you can see the commission-related records. Now, see the first record is a sign-up bonus commission record. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.